This video will show you how to clean and maintain the Smeg Hobd. Wipe down using a soft damp cloth or a sponge and suitable detergent. To polish, use a glass cleaner and a soft microfiber cloth. To clean the cast iron grid, wipe down with a soft damp cloth and dry thoroughly before replacing. It's important not to put this in the dishwasher. Internally, the grease filters must be washed every 2 months depending on usage. These can be washed in the dishwasher or with warm soapy water. Dry these thoroughly before returning to the Hobd. The activated charcoal odour filter can be regenerated up to 8 times. Simply wash to regenerate every 3 to 4 months. To do this, wash in the dishwasher at a maximum temperature of 70 degrees, or hand wash in warm soapy water. Don't use any abrasive sponges or cleaning detergents. It's also possible to dry this filter out in the oven at a maximum temperature of 70 degrees for 2 hours. Should any liquid spill into the motor, there is a liquid cup located near the motor base. Carefully unclip to release, then wash and dry before returning to the appliance. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.